this quick video, I want to show you how to turn on the lights on a Nissan Altima, and then I want to show you how to turn on the bright lights. It's fairly simple to do. It's for Altimas made within the last 15 years plus. Pretty much the same concept. So what you're going to do is go to the far left here. We're going to see this level here. All right, and what you're going to do in order to turn on the lights, the only thing you have to do is just turn this way, like that. And you're going to see your dashboard dims a little bit, and that green light's going to be on there. That shows that it's now currently on. All right, if you want to turn on the brights, the only thing you have to do is push forward once, like that. And you know your brights are on because the blue light will come on. To undo the brights, you just push towards you. See, blue light's off. Now I'm old school, so when I turn on the lights and off, I go all the way towards me for off, and you can see there, it indicates off. And I turn all the way towards me, and that means it's on. It's just on manually. If you want to do it automatic and never worry about it, in other words, it'll turn off when you turn off the engine, and it'll stay on for a little bit, and then it'll turn off. And you don't have to worry about this. You can do that. Only reason I don't do that is because I want to preserve my battery. And of course, you know, once you turn the engine off and the lights are still on with the engine off, it's using up the battery and it strains the battery more. So that's why I like doing it all the way on and then all the way off. All right, I hope that helped. Put in the comment section what model Nissan that you have. I'm sure it's an Altima, but tell me what year you have. And tell me if you like it. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.